it's Becky. I'm back with another homeschool organization kind of video for you guys. If you watched my homeschool haul a little bit ago, then you would have seen this product. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made a master answer sheet binder for my girls. That makes no sense. But you know, like if you are a homeschooler or a teacher and you're grading papers and you've got like an answer booklet from this curriculum and an answer book from this curriculum and an answer book from this curriculum, like you probably have them like in a stack somewhere and they're all disheveled. I personally did, and I didn't like having to go to all these different spots to get the answer booklets for my girls' work so I could grade their stuff. I wanted to have them in all one place so that if I wanted to go and grade papers in the living room or in the car or at church or wherever, I would have all of the answer sheets to their different curriculums in one spot. So today I'm going to be showing you how I have figured out how to keep all that stuff together, how to keep it organized and make it really easy for me and something I can take anywhere, anytime I need to grade papers. So if you want to see kind of how I've set that up, then stay tuned. So this is the Samsil 2-in-1 organizer. I am so excited about this because this is such a unique item and there's so many ways you can use it, but this is how I've set up to use it for our new homeschool year and probably every homeschool year in the future. Because the problem I had was, I love my office, but at times, there's times at night when I want to go in the living room with my husband and like grade papers and watch TV and just kind of relax. But all of my answer books for every one of the girls' curriculums and workbooks was in a different place in here in the office. And whenever I wanted to grade papers in there in the living room, I had to drag like 10, 15 books into the living room just to grade papers. So I wanted to find one central place to keep each girl's answer books for every single curriculum that they have. So each girl has their own of the Samsil 2-in-1 organizer. I've got them labeled on the outside, and so every single answer book to any curriculum that each child is doing is in their own book. This is like a master answer sheet for every single curriculum that we use. I just used some cardstock and punched holes and then used these like post-it flag thingies and labeled each one of their curriculums. So this is my youngest daughter's book. So every one of her curriculums is in this book. So I have her analogies, and so you open here and it's the answer key to every worksheet in her analogies workbook. We have her English, which is the Bob Jones English 3. This is the answer booklet for the student workbook. We have Logic, which is her, what's it called? Mindbenders Level 2. So anything that's in her any of her answers to her Logic worksheet. For math, I went ahead and put the teaching textbooks answer key in here, even though I don't use this because it grades it for me. But it does come, it used to come with the hard copy that you could purchase. And so I do have that still, but not really necessary, but it's in here. For reading, All About Reading does not have an answer book, but we also use a reading skills workbook that we use for supplementation, and this is the answer sheet for that. And then for spelling, I just have the answer sheets to her spelling workbook. I don't really need this because I know how to spell, but it came with the workbook and I went ahead and put it in here. So the other neat part of the Samsil 2-in-1 organizer is the accordion file, which has 7 little pockets to put things in. I only have 2 things in there right now. I have the Bob Jones English 3 test answer key. You may wonder why I don't have this with the other Bob Jones stuff. It's because we actually borrowed this from a friend, and I didn't want to punch holes in her copy and put them in my binder. So I wanted to have hers stay the way that she had it. So I didn't punch holes in it. I just went ahead and slipped it inside that accordion file. But these are all the answers to the Bob Jones English 3 tests. And then also, I didn't really put this in there with the other things because this is something we do just for supplementation. This is the Spectrum Grammar and Usage Grade 3 Workbook Answer Key. This is something we use kind of here and there for supplementation, not every day. I didn't really want to put it in here in the binder with all of her daily subjects. So that's also in the accordion file. But that's pretty much it. Each daughter has their own. So that is pretty much my solution to the problem I was having of so many answer booklets and test keys and not like a central place to put them. Another thing too, if you decide to do this method, if you want to use the accordion file to actually keep completed tests or anything that you want, if you want to keep their schoolwork in here, their completed schoolwork or their special projects or maybe some reports that they've written or their completed tests, things like that. This is a great way to store them all in one place and keep them organized, and it takes up such a little amount of room but holds so much stuff. So I'm super excited about this. I think it's going to be a great solution to my problem. It's going to keep me organized, it's going to make my life easier, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So you probably saw this Samsil 2-in-1 organizer in my homeschool haul. I talked about it then, and I told you I'd be doing a separate video about it because I just think it's amazing. There's so many uses for this. I will have it linked below for you guys, and if you haven't seen that homeschool haul, I will link it for you guys as well in case you want to check out everything I picked up for our upcoming homeschool year. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.